Hey there, hungry people. Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest, coziest carrot and lentil soup ever, right from scratch. Seriously, you can do this, even if you've never chopped a carrot before. First up, gather your ingredients. 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, about 4 carrots, a cup of red lentils, a liter of veggie stock, a dash of olive oil, and your favorite spices. Think cumin, coriander, maybe a little smoked paprika. Okay, let's get chopping. Dice your onion and carrots, mince that garlic, and grab a big pot. A splash of olive oil goes in, then toss in your onions on medium heat. Let them get soft and golden, about 5 minutes. Next, garlic in, just a minute, enough to smell amazing. Time for the carrots and spices. Stir them together, let the spices wake up, and then add your lentils. Give everything a good mix, then pour in your veggie stock. Bring it all to a boil, then drop the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. The lentils will get soft, the carrots tender, and the whole kitchen will smell like a warm hug. Now, if you like your soup chunky, you're basically done. Want it smooth? Hit it with a blender, but be careful, it's hot. Taste, add salt and pepper, maybe a squeeze of lemon for a little zing. And there you have it. A wholesome, hearty carrot and lentil soup that's perfect for any day. Serve it up with some crusty bread, and trust me, you'll want seconds. Let me know if you try this recipe out, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious ideas. Happy cooking!